Hi guys, Kitwana Kill here from toolkitsforsuccess.com, and today I want to do a quick video on a product that I just released called Done For You Vertical Video Quotes. So let's jump into it and have a look at the product. Okay, here we are at the sales page, and I'll put a link in the description below to the sales page if you want to check it out. So Done For You Vertical Video Quotes is about how to make an entire year of social media video posts without creating content daily or spending a lot of money. This is great for posting short form video content every day to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and more. It's for you if you feel like it takes too much time to create short form content daily. If you find yourself, going on sites like Fiverr and you want to buy short form video content, that can get expensive, especially if you want to post on a daily basis. And the deal is that you do want to engage with your audience on social media, so you want to be posting daily. And that's why I created Done For You Vertical Video Quotes. What you're going to get in this package, you're going to get 365 vertical viral video quotes, 300 viral image quotes, and you get private label rights. So Done For You Vertical Video Quotes solves your problems by providing you with 365 pre-made video quotes and 300 social media quotes that you can post on your social media account, or if you get the private label rights, you can sell them yourself. And here's a look at what some of those videos look like. There are 18 categories of videos. We have accountability, anger, assertiveness, being adventurous, breaking the rules, charisma, confidence, discipline, failure, goal setting, gratitude, habits, leadership, money mindset, persistence, positive thinking, productivity, and time management. Let's play a couple of these so you can just get an idea of what they look like. So these are videos, but what you can do when you post them to social media is you can add your own voiceover, or you can add music to them if you like. And if you get the PLR, also included are all the templates for these quote images, and they come in Affinity Publisher and Adobe Photoshop so that you can edit these files. Also, the PNG files are included as well. So these are just a few of the videos that are available, just to give you an idea of kind of what they look like. And you can post them one at a time. You can combine them to make longer posts. You can post, YouTube shorts. You can post them to Instagram. You may be able to mash them up and come up with some creative ways to post them to TikTok. And then we also have 300 Done For You social media posts. So let's we'll zoom in a little bit here. And these are just motivational image posts that you can post to Instagram or your Facebook account or Twitter. And these vertical videos, these viral vertical videos, are meant to help you to explode your audience, explode your influence, and explode your income. They'll help you create stunning videos for your social media accounts. So again, you'll get 365 motivational video quote posts. They come with 365 HD videos, 365 plus quote graphic files that you can edit in PSD, PNG, or Affinity Publisher. There are 18 categories and there are 20 graphical templates that you can edit. And then you also get 300 Instagram motivational quotes as well that you can post to your social media accounts. And you can get that all today. If you want personal use, you can get it for $12.97. Or if you want to buy the private, unrestricted private label rights, you can get it today for $19.97. So the link is in the description. So go check it out. Done for you vertical video quotes at toolkitsforsuccess.com. Again, the link is in the description. So go check out the link. Thanks.